Okay, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to purchase a mining plan with Bitcoin from an external wallet like Coinbase. In this example, I will be using Coinbase. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your menu and go to mining, go to mining plans, and then you're going to choose your mining plan. I like using the calculator, but as you can also go to the bottom here and choose a pre-selected one. If you want something in between there, I like using the calculator, but for this example, I will be using the calculator. So now what I want to do here is select the amount of BTC, amount of value in BTC and USD. So what I'm going to do is hit this little plus button until I have $40. I will be doing a $40 contract. Place order, read through the contract, and click on agree and confirm. Success. Click on OK. It will pop up another screen. Just give it a second and you're going to see this screen pop up. Now what you're going to see is since the MCD, the My Coin Deal upgrade recently, there's two options now. There's pay with Bitcoin and pay with Bitcoin Cash. They will be adding other options. I believe Litecoin is going to be the next one. But for this example, we're going to be using Bitcoin. I will click on the Bitcoin icon. It's going to confirm, do I want to make this payment with Bitcoin? And I'm going to click on yes. Now, the My Coin Deal interface has just been updated, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that I think are very important. The first thing is, what you're going to want to do to purchase this package is you're going to want to copy this address. This is your Bitcoin address right here, this big long alphanumeric letter and number combination. Now if you click on the copy button, it's going to say copied, right? Here's the problem I had. It just wasn't working, and I did send out a support ticket recently, and they'll be addressing that. But let's see if it worked this time, because it's been about a couple of days. So now you're going to go to your Coinbase, right? And then you're going to click on accounts, right? You're going to make sure you have the BTC, and you're going to click on send BTC. This may be slightly different in other wallets, but you're going to send BTC. Now I'm going to click paste, and it looks like that button has worked. Now what I'm going to do is go back to, you have to have two tabs open to do this. Okay, very important. Have your Coinbase or your BTC wallet open in one tab and AWS mining in the second tab. The thing I want to do is look at the first couple of numbers and letters of the Bitcoin address to confirm it. I got 1MD and Q, looks like QC6. 1MD QC6. Okay, so that's great. You're also going to see in Coinbase a little green check mark. That means you do have a right Bitcoin address. Very important. Do not try to send Bitcoin to a Bitcoin cash address or any other addresses. It will not work. You will lose it. The second thing you're going to do is go to the quantity where it has this 0.00544464. You're going to copy that amount. That value is the equivalent of a $40 package in the amount of Satoshis or Bitcoin. Next, you're going to send the amount. You're going to go down to the amount, make sure you have Bitcoin checked. Address looks great. You do not want to type in USD. I've had people say, well, it's $40. Let me just click in 40 here. Do not do that. It will not send enough. What you're going to do is you're going to copy that address that you're going to copy that Bitcoin amount we just did, and you're going to put it in the BTC amount and paste it in there. 0.0054464. That is correct. Okay, we could double check that if you like, that copied correctly. Looks great. Now we're going to keep both these tabs open and click continue and confirm. So you'd actually sent 40.25 cents, $40.25, not $40, because there are little fees and little adjustments in Bitcoin. Now I'm going to click View Details, and it's going to be on the pending status. You don't really have to keep this open. I tend to just exit out of it. We're going to go back to the AWS mining tab. Now, since Bitcoin is sent, I could go to my dashboard here and just see it's pending right now. So that transaction is pending currently for that contract. So what I like to do is just go back to AWS mining, go back to this screen, and wait. Now, I've had this confirm in a few minutes. I've also had it take up to an hour, and it's possible it can take more if the blockchain is busy. Just wait. It's really not a big deal. If you do have any problems, we can get support involved in it. But the best thing to do is just to leave this open and wait. What I'm going to do is pause the video, and I'm going to come back. Now, actually, you could see the processing now is transaction in process. You could view this through the blockchain. This process, it means that there is communication with the money I sent and that my CoinDeal wallet. So in other words, this is telling us that the payment has been made, but it's still processing, right? So it hasn't confirmed 100% yet. So what I wait is I wait for a few things. One of the things you could do is you could refresh this screen. And by the way, if you happen to exit or leave or have to do something else, don't worry about it. As soon as you hit that payment button on your, say your Coinbase or whatever your wallet is, it's going to be fine. Don't worry about it. So you could also click away from that and notice that it's still pending. Once this order is paid, it will not say pending any longer. It will say that it's paid, and it'll come up in green. So we're gonna just give this a minute. It will pop this back up. I am going to pause the video, and then we're gonna come back to this. Okay guys, so it took probably, I just waited about an hour, and I came back and refreshed it. This process, I was told, is a little slow right now, but it will be faster, you know, as all the upgrades come through the MCD. MCD still has, my CoinDeal still has some updates that they'll be doing periodically. So everything's good here. I refresh the screen. If you go to orders and you look at your last order, and you'll see it says paid here. So now to a couple things you could do to verify is you can go to your home page here at the home button, and you could look at your last contracts, your open contracts, right? So I'm going to go here, and I've done a couple today, and I did two $40 contracts today. Here's one of them. It was a reinvest, and here's the other one. This is the one I just did. So it shows the last to first, right? So at the bottom, or first to last, I mean. So okay, the other thing, like I showed in the other videos, is if you go to your network and to your binary, you can also check your CMP power here. Now, I did a $40 contract, so that added another 0.1. I had 2.2 on my mining CMP. Now I have 2.3. So you can also see it there as well. By checking your binary, I mentioned this in the other video, you can also see that I am qualified for team bonuses, and I'm also an active partner. Active partner means you're paid at least one $40 contract. Team bonus, if it says yes, that means you have qualified yourself, meaning you have somebody on one person on your left, one person on your right. If it did say no, that means you're not qualified yet. You need to get one person on your left, one person on your right. If the team bonus says no. So just a little extra stuff I wanted to show you in the back office. I hope this helps, guys. If I missed anything, let me know. If something wasn't clear, just let me know. I'll reshoot something. Leave your feedback, subscribe to the channel, and there's a playlist here for AWS tutorials.